So I'm just having a problem getting this PTFE tube to stay in the pneumatic connector here. I've done this a lot in other machines, and I've actually done it a little bit on this machine too, but when I push it in there, it just simply does not stay. And I've tried quite a bit. It doesn't, when I touch it, it doesn't move at all. There's no, it's not clicking or anything, which maybe it shouldn't, but the wiki shows that you press and hold this down, and I'm trying to make that work, but so far I've been unsuccessful. Actually, now it does have some motion in it. Maybe no, it didn't do anything. I felt a small click, but it didn't actually help anything. So I don't know if something's wrong with my pneumatic connector here or what. Back that out and press, and then it's really hard to press that and then get the tube in there, but I'm trying to do that. Yeah, I don't know. Just will not hold on. I don't know. I've tried a lot of things. This doesn't seem to help at all, of course. But tried alternate PTFE tubes as well. So here's a totally different PTFE tube, and no. Like it just doesn't engage.